Today we'll be discussing on a very important topic, Spiritualist versus Materialist. In the chapter 2, 69th shloka, Krishna is telling, Ya nisha sarva bhutanam tasyam jagrati sanyami yasyam jagrati bhutani sa nisha pashyato munihya. What is night for the all beings is the time of awakening for the self-controlled, and the time of awakening for all beings is night for the introspective sage. So basically the thought process, the actions, the responses of a spiritualist and materialist is totally different. And let us see what is the difference. A spiritualist always loves God, follows God, believes in God, respects God, and has a loving disposition towards God. However, a materialist doesn't believe in God, doesn't think that God really exists. He doesn't have faith that there are higher powers who control their life. They feel it's my life, my worry, who has seen what's going to happen. So, a person who is a spiritualist is a very sensitive person. He is selfless service attitude to God and to others. However, a materialist is always thinking in terms of aham mameti, me, mine, me, mine, me, mine. How will I benefit? How will this be beneficial for me? How I am going to become the king of this world? How am I going to enjoy everything and everyone? A spiritualist is grateful to God, and a materialist thinks, I am a self-made man. I have worked hard and I deserve all this. God is not important in my life. I can control and live the way life is. I want to ask a very simple question. Tell me one thing, my dear friends, which is fully under your control. Mind my words, fully. No one can control the mind fully. You can't even control when you have cough and cold fully. When you get a headache, you can't control it fully. You know what's the answer? You will be surprised to know that the answer is nothing. There is nothing in the world which is totally 100% in your control. If you feel there is something in your control totally, please put a comment in the chat box and I will personally reply it. Going ahead, what is the difference between a spiritualist and materialist? Is that the spiritualist is always conscious of avoiding sin or negative actions, and he avoids the negative karma. But you know, what does a materialist think? Just do it. It's my life. Live the way you want. I don't care a fig. So like Yudhishthir in the Mahabharata, he was a spiritualist and he was always following the principles of dharma. But on the other hand, there was Duryodhana. So many people tried to explain the truth to him again and again and again, but no use. Check out your lives, my dear friends. You want to live a spiritual life or a material life, and make a choice that really helps you in the future. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna